So we're with Active Distribution, ADL,
Yep.
and I'm with Roger. And Roger, you're going to tell us a little bit about your products here. So why is it so exciting? Why should our members take note of your product?
Okay, well, we do a range of boxes like these. No different from what anyone else can offer you in terms of AV control. It's got all the same connectivity, infrared serials, all the same kind of things they expect. The main difference with this is it can compete with the likes of AMX and Crestron without the need to write code. It can compete with the low-cost sort of fixed packages you get for the home cinema, home automation market without being fixed, because it's expandable like an AMX or Crestron system. The great thing with this is it's got a built-in web server, so you dial in the web address and everything's in the box. All the configuration pages, all the setup pages, and each of these boxes comes with a built-in database that you create events in, and each event can have 4 actions associated with them. Because it's a web-based box, when I add another box, I double the number of events, which is 128 events a box. I double the number of actions, which is 512 actions per box. Because it's web-based, I can share those actions between boxes, and I can use ports on this from an action in this. The other great thing is, we don't sell touchscreens. We give you, the customer, the choice of what you want. So, for example, we do a 10.5-inch touchscreen from a company called Lilliput, which would cost you about £4,000–5,000 if you wanted to get it from AMX. Lilliput will offer you it for £200. We can offer you a wireless touchscreen, something like this Samsung Q1. Again, we don't sell them; it's down to the customer to buy. We can offer a smaller in-wall touchscreen or push buttons. All of these are third-party products, but it gives the customer choice rather than the control system manufacturer dictating that you've got to buy our touchscreens or our controllers. We're saying buy our boxes, use whatever controller suits your customer, your environment, and so on. So it's all about choice. We've got a great control product that competes with everyone else. It's got all the right connectivity, but you get that extra flexibility that no one else is offering at the moment.
So I guess one of the questions is going to be, how do you get the command keys for doing various commands into your boxes?
Okay. All the boxes come with built-in infrared learners. Doesn't matter if this one or this one, they all come with built-in commands. They'll also capture serial commands, so you connect up to your serial port and it'll capture serial commands for you. So it's all cut and paste. Because it's web-based, it's intuitive like a Windows box. If you want a serial command, you drag and drop, and it puts the command in for you, and it very usefully, in inverted commas, says put your data here. So you go off and capture your infrared code on your box. It comes up on the display, you cut it, and you paste it to where it says insert your data.
Well, it sounds like a fabulous system. It sounds like it's a cinch to install as well. So how much money are we talking about if one of our members wants to integrate this into their home? Okay,
they range from a miniature controller here, which starts at £454 list price, all the way up to this product, which is a £914 list, and we do a range of products in between. So with a variety of ports on, so we do some of these with just serial ports, or some with just relays. This one obviously has got a mixture of ports, as has this got a mixture of ports. So as I say, you can compare these products price for price, port for port, very favourably, roughly 25% cheaper than AMX or Crestron.
But it's great to see the products, Roger. Thank you very much for taking the time to spend with us. And if people want to find out more, do you have a website that they can go to?
Yep, if you go to www.adltd.co.uk, you'll find all the products there, runs through and examples of running through how the controller works and how to program it.
Well, it's great to see the products, and thanks again.
Thank you.